Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name's Amanda and I'm so glad you're here. If you're not new, you know I'm glad you're here too. I love hanging out with you guys. Today, I'm gonna do a home tour for y'all while our house is clean. We have worked on this house for like 2 or 3 days, getting everything picked up, and I know it's not gonna last long, so I better get in here and do it before somebody dirties something up. And I'm also collabing with my friend Anna here on YouTube. She just started her channel. She's posted 2 or 3 videos and she's done so good. She's killing it. But her name is Anna. She's from Washington and she has a 3-year-old little boy that's adorable. And she is doing cleaning, decluttering, just all that stuff, like maybe grocery hauls, things like that. So if that's something that you're interested in, then go check out her channel, but I will link her home tour down below. Her home is beautiful. She lives right on the shore. It is so pretty. I'm so jealous. Actually, you're just gonna go visit her sometime soon and make a vacation out of it. Just kidding. But anyway, she's awesome. And I know you'll love her house tour because it is so pretty. Her house is adorable. But anyway, come on in my house and let's check out all of the updates I'm gonna post before pictures as I go through, just so y'all can see what we've done. Some of it is on YouTube, like we've put videos up of doing different things, but some of it's not, so you'll get to see all of our transformations, all that stuff. But our neighbor's trying to weed eat and I think he paused so I could do this, so I'm gonna go so he can weed eat. But come on in. So as you walk up on the porch to the right here, we have 2 rocking chairs. And the porch goes over this way. We really don't utilize the space. It's kind of like an odd space because it's small, like kind of too small for a chair. Like this is wider over here than that one over there. So there's our pool. Pretty yard. There's a lot of landscaping. We've done a lot of updates. We put the storm door on. I tried to do that by myself. I don't know if any of y'all remember that. So as you come into the front door, you're pretty much open to the living room, the dining room, and the kitchen. But to the left is the dining room, and this used to be maroon when we moved in here. So I'll insert a picture, but we have this dining room table. Heather wanted one with a bench, so she found that one, and we just have a few things on the wall here. We have a tray ceiling and we painted that the same color as the walls. When we first moved in this house, these walls were brown. And I'll insert pictures, like I said, before and after. I love this little space here with the chair and the table. I think that's super cute. But moving in here, here's the living room. And we have vaulted ceilings. These ceilings are kind of wonky. They're cut up a lot of different ways, but I think that it's really pretty. Just adds character. Not so fun to paint, but we have a gray sectional here, and I'll show you what the living room looks like from this view. And then here's the kitchen from this view. We have this shelf here, and I love that when I hit 1,000 subscribers, Heather and the girls got me this little Tin Man because The Wizard of Oz was one of my favorite movies growing up, and the Tin Man was my favorite. So as you're back over here into the entryway, if you come to the right, there's a little hallway, and this is Heather's room. And she has the tray ceiling as well. And this room used to be a really light tan color, almost like an off-white. And we painted that Sherwin-Williams Mega Grade as well as the rest of the house. And then her bathroom was green. and her cabinets were oak. So we painted the vanity black and painted these walls gray. But just that paint color on the vanity and on the wall made it look so much more modern, I think. And then through there is the master closet, and I'm not gonna take you in there, it's just a basic closet, but the window there is the front of the house. So that's the front porch, which I think is super odd that a window is the front porch. I don't know, I just think it's weird that it's the front of the house. So yeah. So as you come back this way, this is the kitchen, and we've done a lot in here as well. I love the breakfast nook area. I think that is so pretty. And we have this little hanging pot here. I love that. This was real, it died, so we just used a fake one, and so far that's still alive. So yeah. But here is the kitchen. We've did a lot in here as well. These cabinets were a kind of like a medium gray color. We painted the top cabinets white, the bottom cabinets black. We added some shiplap backsplash that I got for free. And then we painted this wall black. I thought the black would really make those white cabinets pop, and it did. We weren't so sure how that was gonna look in the beginning, but I love it. So super glad I did that. This is our laundry room, and these cabinets were oak. The wall was this color, just a cream color, and I still need to paint these walls. I just don't know what color yet. But we painted this, the Mega Grage, and this was the first room we painted Grage, and we fell in love with it so much so that we painted our whole house this color. So as you come down this hallway, this goes to Allison's room, and I'll take you guys up there in a second. But as you walk into this little hallway, to the left here is my room. And it's also just a bonus room. Basically, it's just storage, and basically it's just storage with a bed. We have some food storage over here. We have 5-gallon buckets everywhere of beans, rice, oatmeal, things like that, just in case. You never know, and that's something you could make easily with water and, you know, survive on. So safe here, fireplace there, just because it gets really cold in this room. As you come back out of my bedroom, this is just a linen closet here. And to the left here, I love these pictures. I hung these just a few videos back. I'm sure you guys remember that, but I love that. That turned out so pretty, I think. I think it just gave this space a little something. So as you come into this room, this is just it's just a standard little bathroom. We painted the vanity in here black. It was oak, so freshened up that space so much. You don't realize how dated things look until you change them up, and then you realize how dated it looked to begin with. But come into your right, this is Kennedy's room, and I love her room. I love the decor. She has her MacBook, Bibles, medals, flowers, cap from her graduation, flowers from homecoming. I love this hanging table here. This, I think I got this at Walmart for like $12. Love that. I think that's so pretty. But she's just got some decor. This bedroom furniture was Heather's, and Heather gave it to Kennedy. So Heather got new bedroom furniture, and she gave this to Kennedy. So that was sweet, and it's really nice. There's a lot of storage all the way under the bed, all the way around. There's, you know, of course, storage there. But yeah, I think that's so pretty. And Kennedy has a massive wall-to-wall closet that is not organized at all. That'll probably be my next video, is just a closet refresh, organization, declutter, because it's terrible. And she, I know, feels super overwhelmed with it, because I feel super overwhelmed with it. So she has her here and hammock stand here, but I think her room is so cute. These bedrooms are small. I think they designed this floor plan with more living space than bedroom space, which is fine because we spend most of our time in the living room, kitchen, dining room anyway. But as you come up these steps, this was actually a bonus room. Allison wanted it to be her bedroom, so I love this room. I wanted this room for myself, but Allison wanted it. She has more things than I do, so it just made more sense to put her up here. She hung plastic on her skylights because they're so hot. The sun beats down and this room heats up quickly. She does have her own vents and air return, all that, but it still gets super hot. And then she hung her black shower curtain over her window. I did pull it open for the video, but she was like, I want my room dark. Can I use your black shower curtain? I was like, sure. So she just has a vanity, TV, mirror, fan, you know, all that. I'm not going to get too much into her personal space. She has a desk over here, but we did the peel and stick wallpaper back here for her, and it's not sticking, so I'm gonna have to do something else with that. Like I said, this was a bonus room, so there was no closet, so Alden hung this part to start her closet. We need to enclose that. Don't know when that'll be. It'll probably be a wall, but at least she's got somewhere to hang her clothes for now. But yeah, I think this room is really cute and utilizes the space well, because we wouldn't use this as a bonus room anyway. We really wouldn't, so it just made more sense for us to make this a bedroom. So as you come back down the stairs here, I'll take you guys out to the garage. You come through this way. So this is our messy little garage. Nothing to write home about. Definitely needs some organization going on with it. But we have an extra refrigerator, washer, dryer, all that. But we do park out here and walk through this area. So this area gets a lot of traffic. But as you walk out this way, we have the most peaceful neighborhood ever. Extremely peaceful. So but this is it. So this is the garage. This is Allison's room. We had an above ground pool put in. We have a fake, I call them doghouse windows. We have a fake doghouse window there too in the back. I thought originally we could make this extra space like this, but our ceilings are vaulted, so that's not gonna work. And I didn't think about that, but super pretty neighborhood, extremely peaceful. The lake is just right over there. We have a storage building back here. So we have quite a bit of storage. Like I said, garage that needs to be cleaned out for sure. Seriously love how this laundry room turned out. Looks so much better. But this is it. This is our little house. Blessed to be able to call it ours. Definitely more than we deserve. Exactly what we need. And very thankful and appreciative to call this home for sure. And I'll take you guys out back and show you the back porch. It's one of my favorite parts of the house. How true is that, guys? So as you come out the back door, we have this screened in deck back here. And to the left is the kitchen nook area. I love that. Breakfast nook. I'll show you guys that from the back, but that's so pretty. We spend a lot of time out here grilling. We put the floats on the porch just because it's been storming. Didn't want those to blow off. We use that smoker a lot. We have lights back here and it is super pretty at night. But here is what that looks like from the back. I think that's so pretty how that sticks out and the shape of that. We have the two windows up there, which I think is super pretty. I think those windows make a house so cute. But back here is just kind of grew up back there, which is probably where our snakes come from, but that is our backyard. And then there is our pool, which the kids wear out. We spend a lot of time out here in the summer. Usually it's been kind of cool. It's not been real hot this summer yet, so we've not used that a whole lot. We have a TV, we hang out here. But yeah, that is it. But thank you guys so much for walking through the house with me. I'm so excited to edit this and put in all of the befores and afters and show you guys everything we've done, because we've done so much to this house. We've put a lot of work into it, and it may not be perfect, but it's ours. And nothing about anything of ours is perfect anyway, so that suits us just fine. But thank you guys so much. I appreciate it. And I love you, and just know that Jesus loves you too.